SMTP email error 455, 458, 459. How to resolve, solved, Warmy blog. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the backbone of email delivery, ensuring messages move from clients to destination servers efficiently. Any disruptions in SMTP can significantly impact personal and business communications. SMTP errors indicate issues in sending emails, ranging from server problems to incorrect client settings. These errors can halt email delivery, cause delays, or result in messages bouncing back, necessitating immediate resolution. SMTP error 455 typically happens when the server cannot handle the email request due to temporary issues like server overload or rate limiting. The common error message is 455 server unable to accommodate parameters. Error 458 occurs when the mailbox is temporarily unavailable, often due to issues like exceeding the quota. The common message is 458 unable to queue messages for node. Error 459 signifies a local issue with server configuration, often related to local policies or configurations. The common message is 459 local processing error. Email warm-up services like Warmy.io can reduce or eliminate SMTP failures by gradually increasing the number of emails sent from a new account. This helps build a reliable sender reputation with ISPs. Using tools like Warmy.io ensures high email deliverability rates, reduces SMTP errors, and maintains a good sender reputation. This proactive approach is essential for effective and reliable email communications. Before you move on, remember to tap that like button and subscribe for exclusive access to our upcoming releases.